Make we take a look on the things we are going right now between this woman and the police woman, where them put on a big fight in the middle of Jamaica. Big fight them put on in a Jamaica. Now people me want to not take a close look on the video and tell me what to say. Cause if you not say and me can say, then me know the only person we can really see what go on a Niger boy. So people, remember to subscribe, like the channel, leave a comment, and now people, make we jump in the video, my people. Make we jump on.
Mommy, video.
Stop and confirm, please. Mommy, go into the vehicle.
You call them anytime.
Go into the vehicle. Mommy, say you're going.
That's what I'm saying. I'm
You're going to the vehicle.
Okay.
Go into the vehicle.
No, going on. Leg off of me ear.
Mommy, why is that?
She don't know right now. She leg off of me ear.
Look how she hold up the woman. Look how she hold up the woman.
Mommy,
Relax.
No, sir.
Off of me ear.
She look big and tough though.
mommy.
They got a woman here.
I want to know what.
Officer.
Just go in the vehicle.
Look how she hold a woman in her ear.
Mommy.
Thump her in her blouse and skirt here.
Mommy, stop it, mommy.
Yo, she hold on for no man here because she not have ear on her head, you know. Yo, she not have ear on her head. Look how she look tough.
Stop it, man.
Hold her woman.
Hello, she come out and she say.
Make sure. But see her. Look here. Leg of the woman here. Leg of the woman blood clot here. But away him a go. Away. Where the ratchet cup this? That boy the weak enough. Yo, she just bite the woman. The police woman just bite the woman. I want dog that man. I want dog that a dog family. Or a hungry, she hungry. Yeah man, you have to go one side. You're workless. You don't know where you go turn police for. Who's the one? You still a hold on for the woman here. Show you now no ear for your head. You're going like a fear fault making no ear for your head. But look here. Look here.
Mommy, you're just making things worse. Relax.
Hey, how you are come at the police? Make sure pick up wherever or something drop on the police, you come pick it up. You go one side. Hey, Mr. Police boy, you don't know where you turn police for, you know. You don't serve no purpose. In this situation right there, so go one side.
Yes, come up and come on. I'm a step with it. Me and the lady are going to treat you to come lick me. Me never lick you.
You worry about your uniform. You worry about your uniform, pal. Look at the woman here.
Mommy, relax. So whether you take it or not, you're going to have to go in the people. So I say relax yourself on the
Let go off of my ear.
Well, look how she turn up over the woman like she one big bully.
So release,
So you're big and tough.
Release her.
I want to do now. How you going to do? How you going to do now? Hold on. Hold on, woman. Woman strong guy, you're big and tough, but you're not strong.
Make sure I have no money for buy back my chair. Just make sure I am broke.
Realize.
Watch out now. Oh, let off bumbo clad, because them fling the woman. Ratted, hold her. Hey, police boy, move and go. Look here, every angle of the woman. Police woman bite the woman, you know. Yeah man, the police woman bite the woman. She bite the woman, man.
Yeah, you need a tight strap or something.
This is what you going to do now. This is what you going to do now. Hey! Hey, how you just do? Reach for your gun. How you do reach for your gun? Oh, you want shot this? Yeah. You reach for your gun. Police come and can't even do nothing in the because you want to hold on for your gun. Where you want dog, you come from dog family. That's why you bite the woman for that finger. You must eat hungry. You never get no KFC last night. Yeah man, you could go inside. So them police at Jamaica go love mistreat, misangle people in Jamaica, you know. Long time them a do this. Long time them a do this. Look at the woman and look at the woman, look at all the blood.
So put the handcuff where you put for me, put the handcuff.
Jesus pray. You better pray for Jamaica, you know. You better pray for Jamaica people.
Stay there.
Now look at this big tough old police woman here. Tell her say she don't agree, you know. Yeah man, she don't get no KFC last night, she bite the woman. Watch you look on all the blood. Make sure you get a rabies shot. Woman, make sure you get a rabies shot because the police officer they gonna have rabies. Look on the woman hand. Dirty drunk crowd.
Hello. Look here now, I'm gonna send the unit come to assist now. Don't want you to have my clothes now.
Okay, if you call and tell them about woman pop up your button and all of them stuff there. And then we could think they are worried about your uniform. No sir.
Hold on. Renee, come up a police station here.
And the way them talk to people, you can tell them say, you can tell if your educational level not go too high. Yeah, you not go too high. So I want to know how she reaching at the force of Jamaica.
You never know. Your point in my face, tell them. Yeah, but that not your right, believe me. Yeah, idiot. If you right.
Yo, me people, me know what me say. But leave a comment in the comment section so me know what you say. Cause me know Niger boy just say the whole of this. People, you see how the police woman gonna angle the woman? Whole of by her ear. Actually, she not no ear pan her head, you know. She not no ear pan her head. Tough. Bite the woman. When them big dog the name in the dog family. Look like she come from one of them family, the man. I bite off the woman finger. She must eat hungry. Yeah man, she hungry. That's why she bite the woman pan her finger. Then she go try hold on pan her gun. Rotted cup. Now you tell me say you want to hold on and dry your gun pan it, look at woman in the car. You know you come from the dog family. You want punk. But anyway people, leave a comment section. And not commenting in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. And do remember to check out Jamaica Vibes Enter TV, the #1 channel on YouTube.